Hi again. Oh, if you could see the bloopers for these little videos. Number of times I get my the number of times I get myself tongue-tied. Anyway, this is the little textured roller idea I'm going to show you. So I've just got a ball of clay here, whatever size you want, but roll it into a ball and then flatten it down like a donut. Okay, and then you're going to see it's like a donut now. Then you're just going to press it in the middle one way, press it one way, and then press it the opposite way, and then press it again sort of north and south. So east and west, north and south, north and south. And that way you've got a nice little concave in there, which makes it easier. This is going to be a little textured wheel, so it's easy then for you to turn your wheel. So what you're going to do now is just roll this so that you've got a flat edge, okay? So you've got a flat edge on it. Okay. See, that's a bit flatter on the sides. If you want to, you can also use like a slapper tool and just flatten the sides a little bit as well. It helps to give it a nice flat surface. So I'm just flattening that down a little bit. And then the fun part is when you go around the edge and you make your own patterns. So you can press your own patterns. I'm just using a like a little serrated wooden edge on that, serrated edge on that wooden tool, and just pressing it into the clay. And I'm just doing it in random spots, nothing set. And then if you want to, you can of course add to that with whatever tools you've got handy. I've got some wooden tools here. I've got a little egg whisk here. You know, little stars in there are very cool. The egg whisk end makes those very cool little stars. And just roll that gently again so that you've just got it nice and flat still after you've pushed and poked it a bit. And if you need to fix up any of your textures, then do so. Just go over them again very gently, just to get those patterns in there again. And then you've got a little textured wheel, right? So this you can roll into your clay using your fingers just like that to roll it. And of course you only need to bisque fire it. You don't need to high fire it. If you bisque fire it, then it's more porous and less likely to stick to your clay. Cool, have fun.